how to fix the Honor 200 keeps updating issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now click on software update and then click on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on device settings. Now from here, if you have enabled auto download over Wi-Fi and update overnight buttons, then turn both button back off, and after turning off these two buttons, your phone will not update automatically. But after turning off these buttons, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same keeps updating issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after resetting all settings, the mobile keeps updating issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor 200 that keeps updating. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.